beef, broccoli, tomato, garlic, potatoes, and some cheese. Yum, yum, yum. Add a little bit of jalapeno artichoke dip. This stuff is really good, by the way. And that's everything that's in it. Onion and garlic. This stuff is amazing. You can cook with it, obviously. This is my plate. Y'all, I took a little bite. This is so good. If you ever want to try something like this, don't hesitate. Oops, I'm talking to Rich on a chat. But anyway, if you ever want to try something like this, it's actually super simple, super easy to make, super delicious, healthy. Don't mind the dog. She's upset she don't get none of it. She might get some scraps. So good. And Angus beef is in this, so that's really good. Sorry about that. Anyway, stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. This was sort of a cookie mashar, but anyway, the steps were easy. Maybe I'll do a full-on tutorial someday. Rob took down the old microwave because that thing was broken anyway. We're still waiting for the kitchen guys to come fix the kitchen. Anyway, bye.